Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Shopify for e-commerce success, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings option found in the bottom left corner. Click on General to set your store's legal name and contact information. Next, choose your store's currency based on your target audience. Now, go to the Themes section under Online Store in the Admin panel. Select a theme that resonates with your brand identity. Customize your theme by clicking on the Customize button. Focus on creating a visually appealing layout that enhances user experience. Add essential pages like About Us, Contact, and shipping information to build trust. Next, click on the Products tab to start adding items to your store. Ensure each product has high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Optimize product titles by including relevant keywords for better search visibility. Set competitive pricing and clearly outline shipping costs. After setting up products, navigate to the Online Store tab. Click on Preferences to edit your store's meta title and description. These should include relevant keywords to help with SEO. Connect your store to social media accounts for greater visibility. Utilize Shopify's built-in blogging feature to create valuable content. This can help drive organic traffic to your store. Set up Google Analytics for tracking visitors and their behaviors. Integrate Google Search Console to monitor your store's presence in search results. Next, focus on mobile optimization by testing your store on various devices. Ensure that all elements are responsive and user-friendly. Consider implementing upsell and cross-sell features to increase average order value. Explore Shopify apps to extend your store's functionality. Install apps that support email marketing, reviews, and inventory management. Now, set up payment gateways to streamline transactions. Make sure to offer multiple payment options to cater to diverse customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.